Hey everyone, gonna show you a new Monster Energy truck. Actually, I made this one last year. As you can see, it's red decals. Kind of the concept that I use, where the decals look like they're coming out of the paint. The base is black. It's not a total red wrap. Use the newer front end from an Escalade decal. Detailed suspension. Went ahead and detailed the wheels. Nice view of the hood decals on the roof. I think this one came out pretty nice. You can see his decals all the way in the back, and once again those Euro headlights. As you can see, I like using those. Here's some more pictures of the same truck. Left the wheels chrome on this one. I like using black wheels for these trucks, but once in a while I use some chrome wheels too. Closer shot of the decal work. Here's that second Escalade I worked on. This one is actually, as opposed to the Expedition body where you can just add the Escalade front end, this is the actual Mohawk Warrior body. So I took the Mohawk off the top, filled that in, and put some decals in. Kind of the same concept as the other one, but most of the decals that were left over, part of the scrap, I used in the paint job. This one looks pretty nice. It's a nice body. There's the same detail as the other one. Well, that's two of them. I'm working on some now. Please let me know if you like them, subscribe, and share on to others. Thanks.